How to access Office 365. Step 1. Navigate to office.com on your favorite web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Click on the blue Sign In button on the middle of the screen. Step 3. In the next screen, enter your full Trinity email address and click Next. Step 4. Next, enter your TU network password and click Sign In. If you have used Microsoft 365 or Office 365 in the past, you will no longer log in with the password you initially set up. You will log in using your Trinity email address and password. Step 5. Next, you will have to authenticate your account with Duo. Choose Send Me a Push or enter a passcode. If you need assistance setting up or logging into Duo, please contact the ITS Service Desk at 210-999-7409. Step 6. After approving through Duo Push or entering the passcode, you will be directed to the Microsoft 365 homepage, also known as Office 365. Step 7. From this homepage, you will be able to utilize the entire Microsoft 365 suite online, as well as install or update your Microsoft applications such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Installation. Installation of Office 365 only includes the following desktop applications: Excel, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Teams, OneDrive, and Word. Step 1. To download the suite, click on the Install Office button in the top right-hand corner of the page and select Office 365 Apps. Office Setup.exe files will download automatically. Step 2. Once downloaded, open the Office Setup.exe file. Follow the instructions on the screen to install and sign in. When done installing, you will see a "You're all set, Office is installed now" message. You can close the pop-up window. Step 3. Once the installation is completed, sign into your Microsoft 365 account using your Gmail address followed by your network password in Duo MFA. For helpful tips and tricks, check out Microsoft 365 on the ITS Service Catalog.